Yo, what's up? Today I'll show you how to alter a table in MySQL Workbench. Okay, to alter some tables, I have my database here. It's named subscribe, and in the subscribe database, I have the subscribers table. Let's see the table by select everything from subscribers, which is our table. Run it. Here's the data we are going to be using for today. For the first alter statement, let's say we want to add another column here. We are going to say alter. We are going to say alter table. Name of the table, mine is subscribers. Add column, then the column name, mine I'm going to name it shared to. Then the data type, which is going to be text. Run it. Let's see the table. Now the column was added. Now for the next statement, let's say we want to change the data type of this column, the not column. For now, the data type is text, but we are going to change it to a varchar. You say alter table subscribers modify column notes, which is our column, and change the data type to varchar. Set a limit. Mine will be 100, semicolon. Run it. Now it's not up to date for now, but I want you to refresh the schemas tab. Refresh the schemas tab so we can see it. Let's see the table. The only thing we did was change the data type. We didn't change anything in the table. For another example, let's say we want to change the name of the notes column. For that, you would say alter table subscribers change notes, the notes column, to records. Then the data type, run it, refresh. The name of the column was changed to records. It was not, now it's records. For the next example, let's say we want to drop this column. You would say alter table subscribers drop column shared to. Run it. Let's see the table. First refresh the schemas tab. Now let's see the table. The column is gone. And another example, let's say you want to rename the table itself. You would say alter table subscribers rename to please subscribe. Run it. Refresh the schemas tab. Our table has been renamed. Let's see the table. Oh, remember, the last table was called subscribers. Remember, we renamed it to please subscribe. So you have to update this. Run it. The table remains the same. We just change the table name. Alright, that was how to alter some tables in MySQL Workbench. In the next video, I'll show you how to update some tables.